everyone, Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. In this video, I just want to do a quick project share and also share some information about my book. And I'm going to start with that. The title of my book is Living God's Word, a 7-day biblical devotional, handbook 1. It is linked in the description section of this video. First thing, I finished with the editing, revising, looking through it, and adding the lines. I mentioned this the other day in a live. I had did a poll asking people about lines. Would they prefer lines or would they prefer blanks? And I went with the lines. And so now the devotional is back up on Amazon. I did the Kindle over using the Kindle Create, which is better. The format for the book is better. I had to fix some things, and because when you're uploading and stuff like that, it shifts things around, and sometimes you can read it over and over and over. Even an editor, I even had someone read it to edit it for me. And I don't know if it transferred me moving the information with some errors there. It wasn't a lot, but I picked them out, and so I had to go back on. I took the book down and had to upload it back again through Kindle Create and then through Amazon Publishing, and they have to approve it. They look through it or whatever, and it's almost like they're not the first publishers, but you just can't go and put anything on there. It does have to go through a review, and then they either approve it, disapprove it, or tell you what you need to fix, and then you can put it, then they'll let you sell it on Amazon. So so it's for purchase on Amazon. The guide, the book, the paperback is $9.99, and the Kindle version is $7.99. So if you're interested, you can go over there. This is handbook 1. I'm in the process of editing handbook 2. So handbook 2 is done. It's just gotta edit and then put it up. Okay, so now this is a project share. One of them I already shared, but and that's this one. I showed it when I showed the Word Nerd Kit, if you saw that video. And I learned how to make these from Planning with L and looking at a lot of videos on YouTube. But the 3 that helped me the most is Planning with L, Lyrics Lover Crafts, and Itsy Crafty. And I left their information in the description section when I did the Word Nerd Kit, but I'm gonna leave it in the description section here too, because it doesn't make sense. Something got in my throat. Hold on 1 second. Agua. Okay, so now here's another one that I made. This is Samantha's Fun Journal. I use a dolly, a cutout from a circle. This circle cutter that I have, a tab punch. You see the dolly. This is some paper that I printed, some pattern paper. And then I made the inserts. With this one, I made the inserts. But let me just, you know what? Because somebody may not look at that other video. So, I had made a little dashboard. There's no pockets. It's just something where I could put like some post-its or something if I wanted. Like, say, like for instance, if I wanted to do this. Let me show you real quick. And these are not decorated yet. They're just, the covers are made because I plan to do some stuff in there. But you see, it's like a little dashboard. I could put something there. And this is a page mark, or like a bookmark, a little bookmark. I didn't make it too big. It was some from the scraps, from the recollections paper that I used. Because I wasn't going to go through all of that, but I'm thinking maybe somebody did not see that other video. So this is a Dollar Tree label underneath the Word Nerd die cut, which is from Illustrated Faith Word Nerd Kit, of course. and this is Recollections scrapbook Bible journal and scrapbook paper. The paper pad looks like this. Let me show it to you real quick. That's this one. Then I use laminating paper, and this is some ribbon. These books I had gotten from Michael's. These are, I didn't make these inserts, but I will be making my inserts from now on because I learned how to make them. I've been learning how to make inserts, but I needed like a refresher. And then I have some elastic here, and then here's this charm. Put a charm there, right? So that's this one. Now this one right here, it actually has more holes than this one. It's a little bit chunkier, a little bit wider, not wider, but I should say higher, right? It's thicker, that's it. It's thicker because this has, like, you see 2 holes, 1, 2. This has 1, 2, 3, right? And so you see I put one of these beads here with the S. I was trying to spell fun, but it kept getting all crazy when I would put it on there. So I said, you know what, I can't be concerned about that right now. So I just used the S for Samantha. And so, like I said, this is free pattern paper that I printed out. And then I kind of like had to do some fixings and stuff with it in Photoshop. And then I used the dolly again, the circle cut out with the tab. And then I did some foiling on here. It says Samantha's Fun Journal. I used some foil, this color foil. I saved it because I could get some more stuff. I used a foil quilt to do that on the Cricut. And then I made my own inserts. This is some washi tape that I put in a little sticker because I plan to decorate these pages. I have like stickers and stuff that I just want to do some fun sticker laying out and writing, some fun jotting. And then this was a leftover piece of paper, so I'll put a sticker there, whatever. So all of this I plan to decorate. In the pages inside, I'll probably do some like magazine cutout and jotting. It's just for fun. But I enjoyed making the inserts, right? So yeah. And then that's that, and so I could close it. And this one I made is especially really special to me because I'll tell you in a minute. One second, it was something I was gonna say. Oh no, okay. So all of this, this is some flowers that I drew. I made some more stickers. I didn't put them up as a sticker set yet. I haven't put a sticker set up, I think, in like, a month and a half or so. But I'm working on some stuff. But this I did, and it's, I'm using it for personal use right now. And even the pattern, the paper that you see in the background is some background paper that I made. It's not doing it justice here, but I have some pretty backgrounds that I've been making. And I went and I put that pattern inside these letters, and then I bezeled and embossed the letters on using Photoshop and put drop shadow, so just to give it a different little color so it will pop off this. I know it's not completely even. I'm gonna start using this because when I put my letters down and stuff, I usually do it in a way where I don't have to be concerned about stuff being all like even. But making these journals, making these little traveler's notebooks and other journals I'm making, I'm gonna be selling stuff, and so I don't want people to be getting stuff and it be all crooked. So I have to use this, which is a liner, to put down letters correctly and even and centered and everything. So if it's mine, not that I don't care about what I make myself, I do, but here I was practicing, and so I'm like, okay, you know what, you need to go and use your liner for this type of stuff. So I did something a little different here because I have this charm here, which I could have put it a little bit looser here. Yeah, so yeah, there it goes right there. And I was trying to do a closure like Velcro, but what I realized was this would have to be longer to do what I was thinking about doing, and I will have to flush whatever stickers I'm going to be using or laminating inside of it. I will have to like have it flushed. It's all like I'm practicing and stuff. So I made 2 inserts for this. But it was something else I had wanted to share regarding this. But so I still like that it goes like this. So when I close it, I still got like this. And I don't plan to stuff this too much. As you can see when you look inside, I have room for like, embellishing and to embellish pages and stuff like that to add. And if it does get chunky, it can stretch and that'll be fine. This is mine. It's a working, like I'm learning how to do this. I did round the corners here. This one I was so upset I forgot to round the corners. But this one I remembered. So I really like that it's, circular around. Like I rounded the edges. I really like this one. So this one, and I really like, the pattern, seeing, my pattern paper here. And the thing about it is I don't make seamless patterns. I don't do that. I like seamless patterns, but like this is not really, this is seamless in this regard, but like all of this, it doesn't like repeat on the paper. It's the crosses that repeat. So I don't mind things that repeat. Like with this right here, this is like seamless. If you were to like go to the site and get the whole thing, you will see it will begin to repeat. I could make this seamless, because then I could make small ones and just start blocking it. But I just don't like that. I don't like that, to do that with the backgrounds I'm doing. So I was trying, so let me go ahead and show you the inside, because I'll show you those inserts I made. So these are some other inserts that I made. But what I did with these was I used scrapbook paper. Now you see there's only one hole here, and that was a happy accident, because I did not mean to do that. I was like, oh, I was supposed to put 2 holes. But then I remembered that I forgot who it was. I think it was Lyrics Lovercraft that I learned how to put 2 inserts on one string. Like you make like a circular band, like like a rubber band. Like you make something like that with your elastic, and then you put them in, and then you could insert them on one string. And since it was one string in this particular traveler's notebook, I was able to put them both in there. And I just use like scrapbook paper, and I use paper like in this one and in this one. Like it's this paper that I got that I really just don't like. I got it from the Dollar Tree. It's some glossy paper, and when I tell you I just don't like that paper to do, like I wouldn't make anything and sell it with that paper. That paper is for me to play with, and so I put like the scrap pieces in here. So when I start doing like some fun like artsy journaling stuff in here, and just for fun, it won't really matter, because that paper is for play. So so I'm really excited about this. This one is to accompany the Word Nerd kit. I'm still trying to decide whether I'm going to do the kit on, like do a video with the kit, do videos for the kit. I don't think so though. I think I may just do it as a project share or a review of what I did, because I'm still in 100 Days of Less Hustle, More Jesus. I want to continue on with that series and just finish it. It's day 59, so it's 41 more videos to go with that. 41 more videos. And I'm finished with all the other series, the Bible journaling using 3 randomly chosen items. So I don't have any more series right now. I don't believe that's it. And so I don't know if I want to open up another one because it's like I said, time is of essence these days, like with school and now going back to work. And so, yeah. So that's it for this project share and book share. And yeah, so with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching. God bless you, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye bye.